What's good, everybody? It's Malcom from Tapped In Wellness, and I'm back with Bob's Red Mill to bring you guys a delicious, easy granola recipe. I'm using their gluten-free rolled oats for this recipe, so if you have those in your pantry, definitely give this one a shot, and let's get right into the video. To start off, we're going to prep our wet mix. Typically you would use maple syrup for this part, but I didn't have any, so I'm making a simple syrup with sugar and water, about a half cup's worth, along with a quarter cup of coconut oil and half a cup of almond butter. Mix that all together over medium to low heat until it's all nice and melted, and set it aside while we prep our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, you want to add 4 cups of oats, a cup of a nut of your choice, and then a quarter cup to a half cup of any seeds, dry fruit, or anything else you want to add into this granola. It's not too strict at all, but those measurements should give you the right ratio you're looking for in the finished product. Mix the wet with the dry, lay it out on a parchment lined baking sheet, and bake this at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice golden brown and fragrant. For my recipe, I use a little bit of coconut shreds, some cashews, dried cranberry, hemp and chia seeds, and some dried blueberries and cherries to round it all out. Nice flavor profile, but you could customize this to any of your taste. But overall, super easy to put together and very delicious. And that is the recipe, everybody. You see how easy this is, how customizable it is, and just how fun it could be. Try this out and definitely let me know how you guys all like it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.